Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haba phai par chak jing thmu jong ke Sorkar jalla bantai ke Shillong Medical College. Ke Sorkar menta kala kala jingmon ha ka ba kala rai bantai no ikani ke jika puri doktor Sya Umsawli ke badan harum ke mau deng kata hapo New Shillong Township. Ban syupen kan mau mencua ke Sorkar kala thmu bantai ke Shillong Medical College ha mau prem ha ka jaka badan ke Reed Chest TB Hospital. Henry menta wat ya ke nik hospital ru la thmu ban pengkarya no Sya Umsawli.
Shillong Medical College ni nak kalian dongi nak MDA government mata berbuan lagi. Anda nak government hingi kuat ban pun senai ke Shillong Medical College. Ang ni apa Umsawli.
Change.
That is already they had the discussion. I can bagi tu KPC ru. Bagi KPC ru in principle kalau ada kajing thok yang agree. Tambah hab ai pada kerja kat kum kajing .com kat kum ka MCI no. As MCI no belum di benda nak 4 acres. Di benda kipan sar nyopra acres extra. Tinggi ombrin ai du nyopra acres menurut kam 4 acres adun kan nyopra ai no standby acres. Yang balai akar kanam padap, nomor bagani ka jaka kamnong flat, nomor bagai utility yang ni jaka mostly be 40%. That is very justified. Atau kam hiban ay new prakar, dan widang la ban kam siya jaka medical college. Tam kampat drop itu idea, tambah in principle both side la agree. Government lo kalau agree, KPC la agree, tambah I have to meet the term and condition. We are working out on the term and condition of our existing TB hospital.
And this TB hospital should be
shifted
to Umsawli. And now the MDA government has decided to instead construct this medical college at Umsawli.
Kadingta.
Okay.
Site jongka present existing Riches Hospital is a very ideal location for the TB patients. Setelah jangka imaki kan sahabat jadi dia rekam benda yang undang medical college. Wherever the building can be used for medical college, can use. Jadi mamlong boleh lah suatu imaki. Tambah lah dikong siapa mungkin negotiate. Bahawa hadu mentah bahawa in principle kala agree. Mungkin orang bahawa menamliak siapa ni bahawa proposed existing medical college ini no ang ni apa Umsawli. But the same foundation stone will be. Take it as already laid the foundation stone. Why should go for second foundation stone? I'm not agree to that. Kalau government kebolong hadu benda, nomor bagi ladon bagi jumpu bers ki syaga KBC bersna di Shillong Medical College. Nang ada tahu klam touch ya any improvement, renovation or development of the existing TB hospital has not been touched. Kan kena cuba nomor berpelut layu nomor bukan sawan nak kayu kita di kejimut boros kata. Tiada mentang dengan develop the new thoughts and they have developed just recently, just about not even a month now. Si benar padon ni yang perkat umta bahawa ayah matsa behaju hingga TB hospital pasna no ya ga Shillong Medical College apa Umsawli. Dalam long la agree, mentala agree bamsna syu ya ga Shillong Medical College yang tu. It's a must yang government bani bamsna no yaga TB hospital improve no lane benda no renovation beautification gun bani benda tu adu mentala syu isra tang nak daw bang pala ban simi rai bagalagan luan na gamon ke Shillong Medical College tu. I don't know, decision we have not taken. This is under negotiation. In principle agreed on the term and condition. We have to fulfill all the term and condition, then only they will come.
So a new MOU will be signed?
They have to sign a new MOU.
And how long?
MOU will be a modified MOU, new modified MOU, not the entire new MOU. It will be modified. Along if both the government and KPC lawan ngaju kajing sungtu jumud ni, if they arrive into the understanding, then we definitely will take immediate action.